Yes, I do have Taz floor mats. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is, I cannot be the only one who's been driving around an S10 with a little nub like this for the longest time. There's got to be someone out there who has a little nub for a gas pedal because this thing broke off and you're like, screw it, and you threw it into the woods. But today is the day that this nub gets some love. Yes. So here is our materials. They will make a glorious pedal. We'll just kind of do this and roll with the punches and see how it comes out. Let's get started. Okay, instead of rolling with the punches, I'm sorry guys, I had to make some type of plan of attack. So here's the nub. Cut a little square piece right here. You're going to cut these little brackets that come off the square piece like so. We're going to weld them on. Boom, it looks something just like that. Baller art, baby. And we will then take that bolt, put it through the nub, and we got ourselves a pedal. Alright, I have to ask y'all to give me a little break in my welding. I'm not the best, but it's on there, and whatever. Let's continue. Maybe this next one will be better. That was a lot of cleanup. I tried. I had a little bit of that little fingernail thing going on right there. Got a little crooked. But you know what? I'll never see it. My foot's gonna be over it. Whatever. I'm trying. Alright, so I got it somewhat on there. Only problem is it's just gonna fall like that. So gotta work on something that's gonna keep this like so. Keep the gas pedal right here. I put a tab here and a tab there. I'm going to put a spring there and a spring there. So that way that one will pull on that one will pull on that one, and it'll keep the pedal nice and true. That is the hope. Isn't she a beaut? Woohoo! Little bit of paint, guys. Look at that. That is legit. It's amazing what flat black will do. Check her out. The foot goes this way, comes back. Goes this way, comes back. Yes, sir. Fun never ends. Look at this. I wanted to tighten up the throttle cable and readjust it, and the tip just snapped right off. Gotta love that. So I went and picked up a new Mr. Gasket kit. Alrighty, so everything's put back together. You can see right here I have this zip tie holding the throttle wide open, and I'll show you down there why. So when people say pedal to the metal, it really should be pedal to the metal. And the reason why is because you don't want to put a whole bunch of strain on your butterflies on that arm up there. It can actually cause it to whittle out and you get a little vacuum leak in your carb. You won't be able to fix that. It's because you've been opening up those butterflies and putting a lot of strain in your foot, because that is kind of a delicate piece up there in your carburetor. So make sure that you get your linkage wide open, and it is indeed pedal to the metal.